And then lahat ng tires natin, meron na rin tayo readings and ratings. Uy, ngayon ko lang napansin to Grabe, meron palang ganitong sense to Galing Ano ba? Ayos Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Guard. I'm a little bit sick again. Medyo maano yung boses ko. Pero anyway, ito yung project natin dito ngayon. This is a 2019 BMW 740i. So, anong issue niya? Ang issue niya is actually tire pressure sensors. Pumasok si client dito actually doing another service and then nakita ko, meron siyang flat tire sign which is sort of a headache kung ganun yung problema niya. So, ito yung papalitan natin. So, this is a BMW part na nakalagay dito sa loob ng tires. So, upon diagnostics, ang isa lang sa kanya ay actually yung sira. Pero, ang issue nito, kung isa lang ang pinalitan mo, baka after a month or so, yung iba sasabay na rin. So, imbis na isa lang yung papalitan natin yung apat. So, ayan, makikita mo. Pagbukas ng car, meron tayong tire pressure monitoring system failure. Alright, na-install na natin lahat ng bagong sensors. Since na-install na natin lahat ng sensors, kailangan natin ngayon i-calibrate yung kanyang TPMS. Pag tinignan nyo ngayon, makikita nyo umiilaw pa rin yung kanyang error. Tapos pagdating dito, tire pressure monitor system failure. Okay, so anong gagawin? Pupunta tayo sa tire pressure menu, tire settings, tapos perform reset. So once na nandito na tayo sa to check tire pressure drive off, pwede na natin i-drive off. So ita-drive natin yung car. So actually, this car is very intelligent. Kahit hindi pa siya naka 360 cam, pero actually yung sensor niya 360 din. So alright, nakalabas na tayo sa streets. Let's go! Once when you drive off, makikita nyo, yung resetting tire pressure, tumataas na yung percentage niya. A small tip, for example, pag nag-perform kayo, and then yung percentage niya, nag-stuck siya to a number na hindi na tumataas. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, parang it's like 47 or 49%. Ibig sabihin, meron kang sensor na sira. So, yan yung nangyari before. Alright, as you can see, nag-reset successful na tayo. And then lahat ng tires natin, meron na rin tayo readings and ratings. So anyway, if you guys are interested in this service or this item or any other of our item, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Yeah!